Now, welcome back to the night HTML tutorial of learning how to code for Pidgin English. For inside this tutorial, we're going to look at how to add images to our web page. So images can be added to web page using the img tag. So if you want to add images to our website now, we go just talk say img tag. You see this img tag, so say img tag sef no get closing tag, na just one, na self closing tag. So img tag get src, attribute src. This attribute source give us the flexibility to add the path, the link to the image wey we wan add to our website. So before this tutorial, I don download one image for online. You see am? So I go just use this image now for inside our website. E dey important to highlight say you go wan keep your image inside the same folder wey we don dey put all of our files. If you get your own image inside another folder, you go gats need to specify the name of that folder first, then /, then the name of the file. But in my own case now, because this file now dey inside the same folder wey all of my documents dey, all of the file, both index.html file and my page2.html file, dey inside the same folder wey this my great picture dey. So I no need to specify anything again other than the name of the image. Now if I click on this image now, you go see say this image, the type of this image now na JFIF file. So the extension of this image now na JFIF. Your own image fit be JPEG, e fit be PNG, e no really matter. But if you wan type am for inside our Sublime Text, you go gats put the extension so that computer go know the type of file wey im wan load. Because the name of my own image now na great. So wetin I go just do be say I go put great here. But the extension, since my own image now na JFIF file, then I go put JFIF. So if your own na JPEG, you go put the name of the image .jpeg. Now, if to say my own image no dey inside this folder, inside the folder wey all of my files dey, wetin I go do be say I go first come here, type the name of the folder. Make we assume say the name of the folder na folder 2. Let me just say folder 2. Then I go put /. I know say okay, if I reach inside folder 2, I go see this file. So computer go just go inside that folder 2 and look for this file. But why I no go put anything here be say computer no need go look anywhere. You know say this file, this great.jfif picture, dey inside the same folder as this index.html file. So wetin I go just do now be say I go just save this file, go to our website. So if I reload this website now, you see say I don get my image now for inside this website. But the way wey I dey look at this image now, I no too gbadun am the way wey e dey like this. So wetin I go just do now be say I go just cut this image with the comment comot for here, come go paste am up. So I go like make my image just dey here, just directly below this heading 1. So I go paste am here, come save my file, go back to our website and load our website here. Now you see say our image don show for up here instead of the way wey e dey show for down so. But I go like do some little cleaning up here. I no like this link as e dey here like this. So I go like comot this link. And this one like this, I no like make e be this is heading 1. I go wan give am another name, say make I call am code in pidgin. So I go just come back here like this. So I thought say I no like this link here again. I go just comot this link. No, this one I go comot this link. So I thought say I no like this name again because we wan begin dey do our website make it look a little professional. So I go put this one to be code in pidgin. Now I go save this information now, go back to our website and reload it. Now you see say our website don dey look a little more beautiful. Now wetin I go like do now be say if I hover my mouse on top dis thing, I wan make e dey give me one extra information so tey if people wan click on dis thing now, if dem carry their mouse come on top, e go show one thing wey be say if people carry their mouse come on top dis name now, e go give dem tip of wetin dis thing be. Na wetin dem dey call tool tip be dat. So I go just come inside dis place, come add attribute title. So I go just put title. So as I put title now, so wetin I want make the title of our coding pidgin be. So I go just talk say coding made easy. So I go save dis information, go back to our website, reload our website. Dey pay at ten tion if I carry my mouse reach on top dat coding pidgin o. Now you don see, now e don show coding made easy. Na wetin dem dey call tool tip be dat. So I don add tool tip as an extra information to dis our code in pidgin wey be the title of our website. So under dis our code in pidgin title, I go just add HR. I go just draw one horizontal line. So I go reload dis web page now, come see if e go show. Now e dey show but e don dey under dat picture. So wetin I go do be say I go just come here, comot all dis information wey dey here like dis, comot dem, save am, go back to our website and reload it. Now you see say e don dey show now. So we get our code in pidgin title, we get our horizontal line, then we get our picture. Oh my God, we don begin dey build our website like dis. Yes. So e come get one simple thing again wey I go like add to dis image as an attribute. So if I put alt here now, I go just put header image. So I go save dis information now, go back here. Now you no go see anything, nothing go change inside dis website because dat thing wey I add so na attribute wey dey tell us say if for some reasons dis image no show for dis website, I still wan pass information for people wey dey visit our website make dem know say okay, na so 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 information dey here, na so 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 image dey here. Make I come practicalize dat example now. So if I come back into dis our image tag, I go just give dis thing wrong name. You know say if I don change the name from great to green now, you know say computer no go see any file wey be green. Therefore, the image no go show for inside our web page. So I go save dis information now, go back to our browser and reload dis file. Now you don see say dis file no show, but information dey tell us now say header image. So anybody wey dey see dis our website so, you go know say even though say dis picture no show, you go get idea say okay, e be like say na header image dey here. So wetin dem dey use dat alt attribute do, dis alt attribute, wetin dem dey use am do be say if for some reasons image no show for our website, we still wan pass information say okay, na so 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 image na im dey for here. But wetin I go now do now be say I go include the thing, save our information, go back to our website, reload our website, and everything is now back to normal. Why dis one dey carry us say Latin and English be say, you remember say I use dis lorem here wey be dummy text wey I just generate for inside HTML. Na wetin our browser wan try translate for us be dat. So if I click dis English now, you go see say e don translate am to English for us. The pain itself is important, but the pain is enhanced by the discipline blah 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 blah. So as e be say we don talk about image for inside dis tutorial, na so e go be. I go see you for the next tutorial where we go dey discuss about forms.